is wrong! This is wrong!
Hold on.
A denied boarding, a blocked doorway, a federal matter. 3 statutes converge on a single interaction. 2 force claims conflict. 1 question remains open. This is not an airport dispute. This is aviation law in action.
So, I see it. You're going to Los Angeles?
Yes.
Okay. So we're with the police. They call us because maybe you're not understanding what they're trying to tell you.
Where is it?
Yeah.
My flight said I'm bored to take off for the flight.
Yes, yes.
So what's the problem?
They've already explained that to you perhaps or not?
No, not at all.
Okay, can I tell you what it is? Would you trust me if I told you?
I don't trust none of y'all, but what?
Have you had a couple of drinks tonight, alcoholic drinks?
Not at all. I've had a long...
Who allowed her to get on the plane?
A long ticket.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
it's been
is
over.
that your cat or what you got?
Yes, I flight $95 to put it on this plane.
That's fine.
I have to pee.
Do you want us to take you real quick and then we'll bring you back?
No, I want to get on this
Yeah,
plane.
I think they're saying no. And I think it's final for them, right?
I have not been eating.
Would you please?
No, I have to go somewhere.
I understand.
Ma'am,
But
This
Ma'am,
is the third plane.
ma'am, you're not going to be able to get on
This
this
is
flight.
the third plane.
If we have to take you to jail, then that's what's going to have to happen, and your cat's going to go to animal control.
For what?
You're going to have to come off the plane.
For what?
Ma'am, you're intoxicated. You cannot be
No,
on
I'm
this
not.
flight. Yeah, you're pretty intoxicated. Yeah. I don't even know who allowed you on this plane to begin with.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
hey, think about your cat.
Yeah, just don't make us
No,
put her
I
in there.
If there's an issue, then what happens to the poor cat,
We
right?
both have cats. We both have
That's a
pets and
beautiful
stuff,
thing.
so
I just want to know. I
Yeah.
told y'all I was intoxicated. I just want to be on my flight. I've been
Okay.
I
here
understand that.
for
Well,
intoxicated. Versus
You're good.
yeah, so this what's gonna happen, whether you get off the flight or not,
intoxicated.
but you gotta use the restroom anyway, so
And so have these flights.
Get off. That's all.
Regardless of, are you guys going to pay for this flight?
No,
They
they're-
will. They will.
they're gonna rebook you for another
Regardless
flight.
of tonight?
Well, when's the next flight going out?
No, I need to be on this flight.
Ma'am.
I have to go. I
Ma'am.
have to.
Ma'am.
This has been day 3.
So you becoming disorderly at this
This has been
point.
day 3. I've been
I
at
understand
the
that.
airport for day 3. Day 3. I need to leave. That's it. That's all I'm asking for is day 3.
Well, we're asking you to please think about yourself, think about your cat. It's not worth it. This is gonna go to animal control.
You
You're
guys
gonna
don't have a flight for me to go out
They
right
have
now.
one. Let's go to the
later
front desk
on.
and they'll get you.
It's not gonna be this one, ma'am.
No.
Alright.
No.
Please.
I have to be on the flight for Tuesday.
Y'all
8 a.m.
y'all left? They left already? They pushed back and left? They came back to the gate or what?
They never sat down. Trust me. This has been.
Okay.
I can't.
Would you mind, please, to grab your cat and let's just walk a little bit? Please.
Come on, you gotta
please.
put the restroom.
You're almost there,
I
okay?
am.
2 steps, okay?
I'm going to miss my fucking.
Hey,
The flight that
I understand.
I'm not going to have a job to go back to if I miss this flight. I've been trying to get on this flight for 3 days.
Okay.
Please.
Can I say something to you?
No, because it's not going to help me what I'm trying to do right now. I need
Can
to
you please grab your cat?
I paid on this flight.
I hear you.
I paid on this flight. Are you guys going to redeem me
They
when it
are.
comes to this flight?
They're ready.
Yeah,
to-
we got
Are you going to fly me out within the next 2 hours?
Yes, they've got you.
No. Where is your flight for the next 2 hours?
They'll communicate that to you, okay?
You're,
I'm serious.
gotta
They work with
nah,
them.
you're fucking me over.
Ma'am, you gotta use the restroom anyway, so they're not gonna
And
let
I
you
have to catch on this flight as well.
they're not gonna let you use the
I
restroom
have
on
to
the plane.
catch on this flight as well.
They're not gonna let you use the restroom on the
And
plane.
for what? I paid for this flight.
If we have to deplane the whole plane, then that's what we're gonna do. But you will get off this flight. I just want you to understand that.
I paid for this flight. Why can I not get on this flight? That's all I need you guys to tell me. Why can I not get on this flight that I paid for? Over $400. Over $400. Why can I not get on the flight that I paid over $400 for?
Come on. Seriously, I don't want to see you go to jail, okay? Come on.
No.
Come on, ma'am.
Grab your cat.
No.
Can I carry your cat? Can I help you?
No, you cannot pay on
It's
my...
going to go to impound if you go to jail. Don't do that. Or animal shelter.
I'm not going to go to jail.
I understand.
I paid for this shit. I paid for this shit almost $500.
Please.
There's no way.
Please. Please.
Can you tell me where my flight is going to go after paying $500 for this shit?
You're going to get another one.
When? When? When will I?
Ma'am.
When will I get the flight? When the?
Ma'am. You're irate at this point. So,
Right.
Yeah. So at this
Because
point, we need
I've
to
been
get off
trying to
this
fly
plane.
out for 5 days. So yeah,
So now it's
I
5
have
days.
been.
It was 3 days, and now it's 5 days.
No. 5
Get the cat
days.
and come on down because we're about to make you come down. So
$500. You think I'm gonna fly off this flight for $500? You sound dumb. You sound dumb.
Okay.
Everybody gotta get off this bitch.
Okay.
If I gotta get off this
You
bitch
gotta
for
go
$500, everybody gotta get off this bitch.
You're gonna have to do it first because you're blocking the door. So you're gonna have to do it first.
For $500, everybody gotta get off this bitch. And that's on everything I love. If I can't get on this flight for $500, can't nobody get on this flight.
Okay.
For $500.
You're blocking the door, so you're gonna have to move out of the way.
Well, let me see these bitches walk out. And then I'll walk
They
out.
can't walk out because of you.
Y'all got
You're blocking
me
the door.
fucked up. $500. I don't know what you get paid for, what the fuck you get paid for. $500? I'm not walking off this flight for $500. No.
Okay.
Everybody gotta walk off this bitch for $500.
You gotta get out of the way first.
Okay, well, I'll
go
wait
back
till
that
these
way.
bitches walk right here.
They can't walk past you.
Look, when these bitches walk past me for $500,
can't walk past you.
I'll walk past you for
blocking the
$500. So
door.
I got me fucked up.
You breaking federal law at this point.
You
You're blocking
wanna
the
know
door.
what's?
You hold everybody else hostage on this
Do you
aircraft.
know Delta $500? Do you know the it's all good. Completely different country. Shut your ass up. It's all good. When it comes to the money that I pay for this flight, yeah, they owe me. So the
Can you raise the supervisor?
Hey, go ahead.
okay, shut your ass up. No.
I don't want this.
Me either. I want to get on my flight that I paid for. That's it. I want to get on my flight that I paid for. You guys?
It's not 2 hours.
Nah.
It's not gonna
Nah. I got somewhere to be.
We're waiting on a couple units to come out.
I have business somewhere to be, which is why I booked this flight as early as I booked it. No. Y'all have no idea.
Hey, would you please?
When it comes to an attorney,
Please.
no. When it comes to an attorney, no. This is my airline. No. I'm going to tell you like this.
Can I ask you what you do? You have a job to go to, you said, right?
I sure do.
What do you do?
I sure do.
They ask you polite.
And my family has an attorney job to go to. So how long
Other managers, hopefully they can try to.
Yeah, we got a couple units coming out.
Oh,
So, you know, let them come out if they can get her. We're not trying to lock her up. I mean, we understand. Then we got to deal with the cat situation. We're going to call animal control. Ain't nobody wants to do
further
all
that,
that. You know, inconvenience, even her. She's been drinking. I don't know who let her on the plane.
They ask you polite.
I pay for this flight. I'm not
Well,
getting
whatever. Either way, she's impaired. So we're waiting on a couple units to come out, you know, and then we'll go hands on because, I mean, we're not gonna stay here all day.
As far as the law goes,
But if you got somebody,
what you asked, I said no. I don't want to hear it.
You put me in jail for like 2 days, baby.
Jail
Yeah.
for where I'm supposed to be. Y'all can try it. This is gonna be my no. I paid for this. I paid for this.
So you have to pay a lot more if you go to jail.
I paid for this. So you can't get me back to California by 12 o'clock? I don't want to say shit. That's it.
we got something.
Anyway, step in the galley for me. I'm gonna let everybody off.
Frequent assistance indicated to 7, please. Frequent assistance, 877.
We got some more units coming off in about 2 minutes or something. Don't push me, man. Go that way for me. Don't push me.
I'll put it right here.
Ship number 3219 for outbound flight 316 recognition.
What's the issue?
They feel like there's some type of issue with me getting on the plane that I paid but $500 for.
For safety reasons, close the door.
I paid $500 for this flight. Over a week.
We're not saying that you're not able to go. That's not what we're saying. We're just saying based on the condition that you're
It
currently
does
in.
not matter. I want to go now.
What matters is
I'm
your safety.
done with Atlanta now. I'm ready to go now.
Like, so we want you to be safe, right?
Me too.
Okay,
And I
so-
want y'all to leave me the fuck alone. And y'all not leaving me the fuck
You can't
alone.
be safe like this. And I don't want you to end up getting arrested, so that's why we're trying to have a conversation with you. Is that what you want?
I want y'all to leave me the fuck alone.
Well, so come on off of here so that we can go ahead, because you don't want to end up getting arrested.
Are y'all gonna pay for my flight?
We're going to put you on another flight.
I would hope so.
Yeah.
I would hope so. And before Monday. Because if it's anything Tuesday, I'm suing the fuck out y'all. I'm letting y'all know that now.
So what I'm trying to explain to you
I'm
is
letting y'all know that now. If I fly out Tuesday, I'm suing the fuck out y'all. I'm suing the fuck out y'all because I bought my ticket way before that. So if I have to fly out before Tuesday, I'm suing the fuck out
I
y'all.
understand.
Do you hear what I'm saying?
I heard you.
Okay, so what's your name?
IRA.
Naira.
IRA.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So
What's your name?
Lots of Petrus.
What?
Petrus.
Petrus.
Yes, ma'am. Come on, grab your cat.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What's your name?
We already talked about my name.
I don't give a fuck about what I talked about.
Okay, so Ms. Desiree, if you person like that, that's what's gonna put you in a place of not being able
So
to
when
travel.
I'm
So I want you to calm
So
down.
if I talk about anything,
I want you to
wait,
calm down.
wait. Let me understand something. So if I talk about anything personal, you're not helping me.
I'm not saying personal. I want you
No. That's what you just said to me. So what? So for as long as I'm not helping you personally, for as long as I'm not talking within the range of what you want me to range in, you're not personally.
As long as you continue to curse, you can't travel. Is what I'm advising.
Okay.
You can talk about your personal anything. That's
Cursing
not a problem. Correct.
is
You
a
can't curse on the aircraft.
okay. Fuck the fact that that's my personal right. But you're saying I can't
But you're
travel
lying.
for as long as you're helping me. That's what you're saying to me. That's what you just said,
I
though,
just
miss.
said you can't get on an aircraft cursing. Period.
Why?
Because you find that you basically purchase a ticket.
Is what you're saying
You're
to
not
me.
going to be able to travel, correct?
Ah.
You can continue, yes ma'am. So
Okay.
that's why I'm trying to help you so it doesn't escalate anymore. Are you willing to do that?
And that's a
I'm just asking you a question. Are
That's
you
a
willing
personal-
to do that, Ms. Desiree?
yep.
Peek at me.
Fuck out there. What's your name? Oh, I already got your name. Fuck you. Fuck you. What's your name?
Petrus.
Patience. Go. Okay.
See, you should have gone to the man. I didn't even think about that.
I just didn't want her down there by the plane. That's really no. We're actually going to contact corporate security because so they've already said what? Because to me, she's already been denied boarding before.
Yeah, so something happened with a lot of
So we need to go to the main terminal for that?
right there. Land side,
We need to go to the main?
Look. I paid way too much money to be sitting right here. I was supposed to be on that flight. I don't care about nothing that you got going
So
on.
if you don't care, then you're not going to be able to travel. That's what I'm telling
Regardless of, I'm going to be able to travel.
Okay.
Because if I don't travel, it's because of your personal problems.
It's not
So,
personal.
what's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? Why can I not fly?
I just explained to you.
Okay, say it again.
I already explained it to you.
Okay, and I didn't hear you. So what?
Raising your voice,
Yeah.
the behavior that you're showing, is not going to allow you to continue to travel. And that's why I tried to have a normal conversation with you
Nah.
in the jet bridge. I wasn't
Regardless
raising my
of,
voice with you.
I was
trying
supposed to
explain
be
you
going
your
on that flight. So regardless of,
Okay.
I need to understand.
If you don't take a moment to listen to what I'm saying to you, is that you're going
Regardless of me responding to you, you was already telling me that it was a no-go. So what's the
It was
deal?
a no-go on this one. But
Okay, so what's the deal?
So what I'm
Because
explaining
I need to get home.
Okay, and I would want you to get home if you behave
Come on. What's
so
that?
If that's not an option,
What's that? What's that, miss? What's that, miss?
Yeah, they're not going to help you here no more. So we got to go to the main terminal for that
No,
help.
I need to get back home.
Not from
No.
here, you're not.
No, I need to get back home. I will literally sue y'all for
Okay.
everything that y'all
That's
have.
fine. And you
No,
have, you
no.
can do that.
we're documenting everything on your reservation that happened.
And that's a beautiful thing, but I need my... No.
She's gonna have to. This is the thing, and this is what I was trying to talk to you about in the jet bridge. When you purchase a ticket, just like any other company, when you go into a business, there's a certain way that you have to act, right?
And
that's
I
right.
should just
Listen
wait
to-
in
listen.
the entire fucking time. Like I said, this is my 4th time coming through this fucking...
With Delta,
Yes, with Delta.
So why didn't
I
you-
am so fucking tired. Like, I'm exhausted at this point. I don't fly. I stay in California.
did
This
you take
is the
something
one
before
that's...
flying? Did you take something before flying? Because you don't
Are you
fly,
on medication
like,
or anything? If you're
No, I'm just fed up.
Oh,
I'm just fed up.
Right.
I can't.
We're
gonna
I
escort, we're
can't.
going towards the
I
plane.
need my babies to
Alright,
be
we're going,
on.
ma'am, we're going towards the plane. Come on.
She's gonna open the door. Can I
Come
carry
on.
your bag?
Grab your bag.
No, I will kept. No,
Forget your
no,
jacket.
no.
Yes, we got it,
I will
boss.
do this myself. No, fuck y'all.
Alright, come on.
Thank you.
Hold on, please. Watch your back. Break that window on my car.
Shut y'all.
You need some help with those bags?
Fuck no. Fuck y'all. I just want to go to my plane that I paid for. Fuck wrong with y'all.
Come on this way, ma'am. Ma'am. Miss lady, listen to me. Listen.
Fuck are y'all?
Over here.
Hey,
Come on.
for what?
Come on, ma'am.
I'm trying to.
Ma'am.
I'm trying to go home.
Come on, let's
Y'all
figure
really
out what we're
pissing
gonna
me
do.
off.
Come on, let's figure out what we're gonna
Hey.
do. Come on. Come on, Miss Desiree. Let's go. Come on.
Nah.
Let's figure out what we're gonna do. Look for some
What
flights.
do you mean? Fluck will be from New York. I finna pay
We're
$400.
gonna give you the money back for that. They're not gonna let you fly with them anymore. So we're gonna look for some flights for you.
Fuck no. You can't touch shit.
Come on.
Fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no.
Come on. This is about to go a different way. And you're not going to like it.
Y'all want to know something?
Your cats are going to go to animal control, and we don't want that. I know you don't care at this point.
Y'all died
You
before
don't care.
my
You don't care.
Y'all died before that happened.
All right, come on. Come on, let me get the cat.
Ma'am, you need to.
What is wrong with you, bitch?
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
What's your issue?
What's his wrong? Come on, ma'am. Come on, ma'am.
What's his wrong?
Ma'am.
What's his wrong? What's his wrong?
There's a red.
What's his wrong?
There's a
He
red.
just punched me in my fucking head.
There's a red.
Punched me in my fucking head.
There's a red.
My leg.
There's a red.
He just punched me in my fucking
Get
head.
off my leg.
He just punched me in the back of my head.
Let go. There's a red.
He just punched me in the back of my head.
Let go.
Holly. He just punched me in the back of my
There's a
head.
red.
He just punched me in the back of my head. He just
What are you
punched me.
doing?
He just punched me in the back of my head. He just punched me in the back of my head. So nothing
And
is.
you just kicked me in the head, so.
He
There
just,
you go.
he just punched me in the back of my head. So y'all gonna tell me that shit's cool? And he just punched me in the back of my head?
No, I'm here to tell you that you've been showing your ass this whole time.
I haven't.
Okay.
I haven't. But he just punched me in the back. In the
No way around that. It's 2 on something. Knock, knock. Anybody got a bottle of water or anything?
Yep, right there. 25-minute box.
Go 9? Appreciate it.
You okay?
Yeah. You good, Colin? Boss, you good? Let me take this off for you, okay? Take it off. Yeah, come on. I got you. Careful. Hold up. Drink some water.
14 CFR Section 121.575 sets the operative standard. No air carrier may permit boarding to any person who appears to be intoxicated. Appearance is the threshold. Confirmed intoxication is not required. This is a deliberately low bar, designed to place safety above certainty. 49 U.S.C. Section 44,902 BA extends carrier authority further. Airlines may refuse transport to any passenger deemed inimical to safety. Courts apply a deferential standard to this judgment. The carrier does not need to prove risk. The carrier needs only a good faith, reasonable belief. 49 U.S.C. Section 46,318 is where airline policies becomes federal criminal law. Blocking an aircraft doorway, obstructing crew operations, or preventing departure constitutes federal interference. This is not trespass. This is not disorderly conduct. Maximum penalty, 20 years federal imprisonment. The moment the doorway was blocked, federal jurisdiction attached. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386. Decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, establishes the constitutional framework for evaluating police use of force. The standard is objective reasonableness. Force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not reconstructed with the benefit of hindsight. 3 factors govern this analysis. Factor 1, severity of the crime at the moment force was applied. Federal interference under 49 U.S.C. Section 46,318 is serious. Factor 2, whether the subject posed an immediate physical threat. Factor 3, whether the subject was actively resisting or attempting to flee. All 3 must be weighed against what the officer knew at that exact moment, not what the footage shows us now. Under Georgia law, OCGA Section 161024, obstruction of a law enforcement officer is a misdemeanor. Each refusal of a lawful command is a discrete act. OCGA Section 16523 defines simple battery as intentional, harmful, or insulting physical contact. This statute applies symmetrically. A kick by the subject is simple battery on an officer. An unjustified strike by an officer is simple battery on the subject. 42 U.S.C. Section 1000. 983 provides the civil remedy. when constitutional rights are violated by a person acting under color of state law. If excessive force is established beyond the gram threshold, this statute creates a damages claim against the officer and the municipality. The burden of proof is on the plaintiff to show the right was clearly established at the time of the violation. The strategic lesson is this: a wronged passenger holds two paths, resistance or compliance. Resistance under these facts creates exposure to federal charges, state obstruction, and potential battery liability. Compliance preserves every civil remedy available: DOT consumer complaint, breach of contract action against the airline, and a Section 1983 claim if force was constitutionally excessive. Compliance is not surrender. Compliance is litigation strategy. But the footage raises questions that statutes alone cannot answer. At the exact moment force was applied, which gram factor was triggered? Did the airline breach its duty of care across 5 days of operational failure? If charges were filed, would they survive a motion to dismiss on First Amendment or proportionality grounds? And who, ultimately, bears legal responsibility for how this ended? The body cam stops. The legal analysis does not. Every answer depends on evidence not visible in this footage. Every outcome depends on a court, not a camera. Stay with us.